More hotspots could be on the way.
Pete, they could indeed. This is the perfect example of how volatile the situation was. We know yesterday morning when the Premier held her press conference, no new hotspots were listed, but she did warn more could be on the way. And she was certainly right. Late yesterday, Fairfield was put on the hotspot list, joining the likes of Campbelltown and Liverpool, meaning 106 Sydney suburbs are now on that banned list. Anyone who lives in those areas who want to come into Queensland will be turned around at the border unless they have an exemption. Any Queensland residents who've been in those areas in the past 14 days will be required to self-quarantine at their own expense for 14 days in hotels. If they choose not to, they will not be granted access to the state. The Chief Health Officer, Jeanette Young, is also warning anyone from New South Wales to reconsider travelling here to Queensland based on the volatility of the situation, or they could risk having to fork out that 14 days hotel isolation. In terms of Fairfield, that directive comes into effect 1 a.m. Monday. It's likely more hotspots could be put in place in the coming days.